by Honorable Owen Bayer to seek to amend the Crops Act with view to reviewing the legality of Muguka and Mira. And we are saying this knowing fully well that a number of Kenyans, especially from Mbeu and Meru counties, derive their livelihood from the production and sale of Mira and Muguka. But again, there's a bigger picture. A government that is responsible must look at the objective interest of the country and its citizens when coming up with policy decisions. Do you want to sacrifice the lives of multitudes of young people in coast and northeastern regions to support the livelihoods of a few farmers in Meru and Mbeu counties? Whereas the farmers of Mira and Muguka have got the right to derive livelihoods. Such right must be tempered with the greater good of the country as a whole. Our thinking and position is that it is not in the interest of this country. It is not in the objective interest of this country to continue to allow for the rampant consumption of Muguka with its obviously adverse effects on the lives of our young people.
Now, Italiano